Let's paint this fun skeleton piece sign onto a stone. So we are going to break down the shape of the hand. I'm going to keep this nice and slow paced, but I'm going to show what I'm doing here. So I go back and forth and show my hand. I'm making lines based on the basic shape of a hand so that I have kind of a general idea of where my pieces should align. So I'm putting the knuckle lines on there. I'm even putting the ones that you can't see. Now the middle finger is going to be straight up and down from that center spot on your palm. So you can go ahead and put that line on there. And then your second finger, it doesn't go straight up and down. See, if it's straight up and down, it would be touching. So it kind of leans out to the left a little bit. And you're going to see here too, I'm just going to put a line down for this one. A lot of the bones I place down as lines first, and then you can come back and create the rectangle shapes on it. Like you can break this finger into 3 pieces. Now I like to break at least one of the fingers into 3 so that you can gauge like how big is the tip of the finger, because we're going to use that size when we come back down here to place our thumb. Now you're going to put your thumb right across that middle line, and it's going uphill slightly. And then you can build out the rest of the thumb with just lines for now. You can thicken those up later. Now we have to have the thumb on top of the tip of the ring and pinky finger. When we build this out, it's going to be all one blob, but the lining will break that apart. We're going to build our ring finger. So the first bone actually goes up, and then you have the bone that comes down and towards your thumb, and then the tip under the thumb. Okay. So on these, I went ahead and built out the shape of the bone slightly. Again, with the pinky, it goes up a little bit, and then it's going to come back down towards that thumb. Again, the tip is going to be under the thumb. Now we have to build out the palm bones. Now I don't do a lot of details with this. Just go ahead and make sure each one of the fingers has a line that comes down to that center kind of palm area. And then we're going to just start going around and building out all of our lines that we had for bones. They are all placed. Now we're just thickening them up and putting them in sections. That thumb should be in 3 sections. The white can touch. We're going to break it apart with lining. So even if your white all kind of touches together, you're not going to have a problem because the lining will break it apart. That's why this one, once you see it broken down, it's very forgiving. These are my favorite kind of tutorials. So again, all the bones are on. Let it dry first, then come back with the color of your choice. I'm using blue here. You could use black. You could use whatever color you want. You can see I did a bunch of different colors. Now, when we get to the thumb, again, you want your thumb to be on top. So you want to make sure the tip of your ring finger and pinky finger are under the square of the thumb. That's going to pull off the look. That's like one of the key things to pull it all off when it's done. Come back with your white so your white is nice and bright. Again, if you need to touch up with your outline color, do so. They look so cool. Again, try them in all sorts of colors. Let me know what you think about these fun rocks.